Hello viewers, so we have this formula that says prove that the following equation is dimensionally consistent. Y is equal to 2m cos kx, where k is equal to 2 per meter. So m to minus 1 is the same as per meter. Yeah, so in order for us to prove if an equation is dimensionally consistent, we need to check the dimensions on the left side and also on the right side. So if these dimensions are the same, it means our formula is dimensionally consistent or dimensionally correct. All right, so let's start with the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, what we have on the left-hand side is y. Y represents displacement in the y direction, and displacement is just measured in meters. So it means the dimensions of y is just length, since y is measured in meters and meters is length. So we have L as a dimension on the left-hand side. What about on the right-hand side? So let's check that. The right-hand side, we have 2m. Now, 2 is a constant, so we are not considering that. So in other words, the first part is having m, and m have the dimension of L. This one has a dimension of L because m is basically meters and its length is the unit of length. So the first m, which is this one here, has got the units of the dimensions of L. Then we have kx. Remember again, cos is basically a constant as well. We don't consider it here. So our main consideration is still on the right hand side. Still on the right hand side. Our second part here, which is kx. And we're told to say this k, the k is 2 m minus 1. So 2 is not considered, so we're going to leave it out. It's a constant as well. So that 2 goes. We're just going to have m there. Let's put it as m. Then this must multiply by x. X is also just displacement in the x direction. Or rather, we can call it position. So it's also measured in meters. It's just distance. So it's measured in meters. So what we have is m to minus 1, that is multiplying by m. So m minus 1 multiplying by m, this is the same as, what we have here is the same as m, which is this m here that doesn't have a power of negative, and this is dividing by m, which is this m here that has got a minus 1. Or rather, to make you understand, 1 over x is the same as x to minus 1. So if we have x minus 1 multiplying by x, this is the same as x divided by x. Because this other x is the same as, we are saying x, this x we have here multiplied by 1 over x. So x multiplied by 1 will give us x divided by this x. So it's the same situation we have on the other side. So what we are saying is this whole thing here that we have is cancelling. The m and the m we have here are cancelling. So on the right hand side, we have only the dimensions of L. Also on the left hand side, we can still have the dimensions of L. So basically, this formula is dimensionally correct. Yes.